Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering the manufacture of a number of things from our day-to-day lives. Make sure to stay tuned to see the perfect egg cracking machine. First up, we want to take you to a brick factory. Each day, thousands of bricks are manufactured here by HIEPSANG machines. The production begins with a reclaimer machine that collects the mud and feeds it to the crusher through conveyor belts. The crusher machine sieves and filters the materials to ensure a consistent and acceptable particle size. The processed material is then mixed with water and other required components to create clay using a mixer machine. The extrusion machine extrudes the clay into a long continuous column, which is then cut into brick size. Finally, stackers transport the bricks to a location where they are baked in a moving kiln. Dominion Technologies has designed several robots that work together as an assembly line for tires and wheels. First, a robot lubricates the rim. Another robot does the same with the tire. Both the tire and rim are then taken to the mounting unit. At this stage, both tire beads are mounted to the wheel in a single rotation of the mounter head. Lastly, the inflator inflates the tire and wheel assemblies by injecting air between the bead seats of the tire and the wheel at preset pressure values. Beatson Clerk has been designing and manufacturing glass bottles and jars for 270 years. This company has now come up with a recycling plant that can process 6 tons of glass and aluminum per hour. First, collected trash is passed through magnets, which separates the ferromagnetic objects from the rest. Then, the aluminum is crushed and recycled. On the other hand, glass has to pass through a vibrating machine, where minuscule bits of metal are filtered out. The obtained glass is then melted in white flint and an amber furnace. This is used for manufacturing new glass bottles and other glass products. Brush making machines, a bit unsurprisingly, are used for inserting bristles into brushes. This one is a 4-axis brush machine, designed explicitly for the hokey toilet brush. The machine's tufting head inserts a set of bristles into each pore of the brush base and locks them with a wire. All this happens in the blink of an eye. This machine has 2 grippers and it can make 2,300 pieces in 10 hours. Before being held by your hand, a pencil has to go through a series of procedures. First, the lead is prepared by mixing graphite and clay. The ready mixture is then extruded from a valve, which shapes it into a linear lead tube. It is then baked at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit and bathed in wax to make it firm and resistant to shattering. For colored pencils, the same procedure follows, except for the addition of color during lead preparation. Usually, each log of wood has to be split into thin strips called slats. These slats then become sandwiches as their grooves are milled and glued together. In the end, a machine inserts the lead into each sandwich one by one, which is again further glued, dried, and crafted. The last process is branding, where pencils are forwarded for painting and stamping before packaging. The Cake-O-Matic 1000i simplifies the process of icing and decorating cakes. Its built-in computer automatically adapts to changing icing texture from batch to batch. When used alone or in conjunction with another product line, the Cake-O-Matic 1000i can also be utilized for batter depositing. Cakes may be quickly iced and decorated with little to no effort. Indeed, the Cake-O-Matic is an ideal choice for all new cake makers and professionals alike. Do you know how much force is required to crack an egg perfectly? Just 5 pounds is enough to split the shell, but it also depends on where you hit. The egg breaker type RZ-1 breaks thousands of eggs each day without any mistakes because of its adjustable knife system. It offers 2 operating modes, precise and fast. In precise mode, the knives work accurately, separating the shell slowly and gently. The fast mode, on the other hand, is designed to break good quality eggs, meaning the eggs remain in a gel form and the yolks remain firm. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.